Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be discussing with you United Healthcare versus Humana. But first, check your special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're trying to weigh United Healthcare here against Humana, well, the very first thing you need to know is that the playing field here has fundamentally changed. Now, if you're looking for a standard health care or health insurance plan through an employer or individual state marketplace here, well, United Healthcare is essentially your default option here. So Humana completely exited the commercial employer health insurance market to throw all of its weight into government-sponsored care. So this means the real head-to-head battle between those two titans takes place almost entirely in the Medicare Advantage and Medicaid sandbox here. So let's look at United Healthcare first. Now, because its biggest superpower is sheer unmatched scale. Now, they control roughly 1/3 of the entire Medicare Advantage market. Now, and they boast a massive national network of over like 1.3 million doctors and nearly 6,700 medical facilities. Now, this makes them the ultimate choice if you travel frequently across state lines, live in a snowbird lifestyle here, or reside in a rural area where narrower networks struggle to provide choices. Now, they also streamline the user experience here, though they're all-in-one U-card, which beautifully bundles your member ID, over-the-counter grocery allowance, and earned rewards onto a single piece of plastic. Now, while their monthly premiums can, in this case, trend slightly higher, their digital apps and nationwide network reliability are incredibly hard to beat. Now, next is we have Humana. So Humana takes a completely different value-driven approach here. Now, even though they sit in the number 2 spot for overall size here, they consistently edge out United Healthcare when it comes to customer satisfaction and official Medicare star quality ratings. Now, because Humana treats Medicare Advantage as their absolute crown jewel here, they pour an immense amount of detail into localized plan designs. Now, highly flexible PPO structures and robust built-in dental, vision, and hearing care. Now, they are also famous for their budget-friendly give-back plans, which, depending on your specific zip code here, actually refund a portion of your standard monthly Part B premium right back into your social security check every month. Now, despite their individual strengths here, you have to watch out for the big corporate fine print with both of them. Now, because both are massive, or in this case, both are massive private entities here, they heavily rely on strict cost management tactics, which means both frequently clocks in with frustrating higher priority authorization denial rates for specialized treatments like long-term hospital care or physical rehabilitation. Now, ultimately, choosing between them comes down to a practical two-step checklist. Now, first, check your absolute non-negotiable list of doctors against their specific local network directories, because a $0 premium means absolutely nothing if your favorite specialist isn't covered. Second, run your exact monthly prescription list through both of their plan formularies to see how they tier your medications. Now, if you want maximum nationwide freedom and a flawless tech experience here, go with United Healthcare. But if you want a hyper-focused local plan with a better track record for customer support and potential premium givebacks here, Humana is going to be your winner. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.